When they are first introduced to the ARXX building concept, a lot of people expect the end result to look like a concrete bunker. Nothing could be further from the truth.
The one thing that was really nice with ARXX is we could get whatever exterior finish that we wanted. We went with a cultured stone and a siding, and because of the ARXX system, you didn't have to do any pre-treatment to it, and it just took, I mean, you could do whatever you would want to on an exterior finish. It's wonderful.
The ARXX wall system provides a suitable substrate for attaching almost any known exterior finish: stucco, synthetic stucco, masonry veneer, aluminum and vinyl siding, as well as cultured masonry. The vertical plastic furring strips provide the installer with a nailing surface every 8 inches on center. A corner furring tab is embedded in the 6, 8, and 10-inch corner forms to supply an additional fastening surface for exterior cladding. Whatever exterior finish you install, follow the manufacturer's installation instructions. Most building codes require that all foamed plastic in building envelopes be covered with an approved thermal barrier. Sheetrock is the most commonly chosen material.
We're able to use less screws, Barry, and not cut onto our stud because there's the plastic runners.
Sure.
And as we do that, that's less screws, less mud action as we're taping, less sanding, and probably overall a more quality job.
Yep.
As you have just heard, sheetrock installers love the ARXX wall system. Not only does the system provide multiple fastening surfaces for screw attachment, but it also reduces waste. Since the forms provide solid backing for sheetrock, the installer can use full sheets without trimming them to fit stud locations. Outside corners can be attached by fastening an angle flange to the corner furring tab in the 6, 8, and 10-inch forms. Cupboards can be fastened directly to the webs or, for greater load-carrying capacity, to a previously installed plywood backboard. Similarly, handrails can be attached to wood blocking embedded in the foam and secured to the concrete. Curtain rods are easily attached to a piece of flat tin stock secured behind the sheetrock at the upper corners of the windows. Window sills and extensions are usually made of solid wood or veneer sheathing cut to size. Windows and doors can also be trimmed with sheetrock returns and a regular corner bead. Alternatively, you might incorporate a bull-nosed corner bead for smooth, rounded corners. It is a good idea to recess doors to the inside face of a wall to allow for full backswing on the hinges. Baseboards and trims either can be pneumatically nailed or glued in place.
We're almost at the end of our how-to presentation. Before we wrap up, let's review the main points in the last 2 sections. All electrical work must be installed in accordance with the electrical code. Follow manufacturer's instructions when installing waterproofing and interior and exterior finishes.
We had absolutely no trouble getting people to adapt to the form system.
The factor that impressed me most was the training program that this company had set in place to ensure that the quality of their product was maintained forever.
And the people that we have built homes for are coming back and asking for more pamphlets.
The insurance costs came in at about 70% of what I would normally be expected to pay for a stick frame building.
The sound barrier that it gives us in this house is superior.
It's going to withstand any possible kind of hurricane or severe weather.
When other systems are spending a tremendous amount of money on cold weather protection, we put our system up and pour it.
After building that house and living in it, I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
In this video, we've covered the key points in working with the ARXX wall system. If you follow the methods we've discussed, the ARXX system will prove itself time and time again. Builders tell us they achieve greater project control, quick acceptance by subtrades, faster build-outs, tremendous design flexibility, a longer building season, and an expanded labor pool. People who live and work in ARXX buildings praise the system's benefits. They report faster construction, energy savings, lower noise levels, greater protection from natural disasters, and an overall sense of comfort and security. From myself, Richie Scott, and from all of us here at ARXX, thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you with your next building project.
Thank you.